56 like that, man. What you do?
Man.
What y'all see that, man?
Man, we are savage, man.
Really? Man, whole rear kit. Just this brakes on the back, rollers, front rollers, which is already complete. We're gonna paint the rollers for the front. We also gonna paint the ones in the rear. I'm gonna get this stuff installed, man. Let's get it. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Book your appointment, man. Y'all got a kit. Laying around, let y'all know how to put on. Bring this boy. I got it for you to get. Yes, sir. Man, whole rear kit. Put you some disc brakes on the back, rollers, front rollers, which is already complete. We're gonna paint the rollers for the front. We also gonna paint the ones in the rear. But I'm gonna get this stuff installed, man. Let's get it. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Book your appointment, man. Y'all got a kit laying around. Let y'all know how to put it on. Bring it to your boy. I'll put it together for you. Let's get it. Yes, sir. See, I got the axle out. Now we finna get it going and get this bracket on here, man. Get it going. Yes, sir. What's going on? Y'all see how that bracket mount on there like that? Yes, sir. In the building. So now I just gotta make sure everything's gonna line up correctly. Let's get that axle back in and get it bolted up. Let's get it. Y'all see it? We got the axle out on the passenger side. Next, y'all know what's next, man. We gotta break some of this down up in there and get that nicely and smooth so we can put the axle in and get the disc brakes mounted like the other side. Get it? All right, y'all see it, man. This brakes all the way around. You know what I'm saying? So we're not gonna put the rotors on. Rotors are right there. Caliper brackets mounted. You got the new plate on there. You got the axles in there. It's ready to go, man. Ready to go. Ready to go. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Let's get it.